Tensions between Israel and Lebanon have risen since Saturday's rocket strike, which killed 12 children as they played football in a town in Israel's Golan Heights. Israeli drones struck a remote road in southern Lebanon, underscoring tensions as Prime Minister Netanyahu promised a harsh response to the rocket strike. Video footage showed a crowd of Druze residents gathering in objection to Netanyahu's visit, some shouting in dissent. The United States is leading a diplomatic dash to deter Israel from striking Lebanon's capital, Beirut, in response to the attack. The White House has defended Israel's right to respond to the Golan strike, but asserted that nobody wanted a broader war. Israel and the US have blamed Hezbollah for the rocket strike, though the group has denied responsibility. Germany strongly condemned the strike and called it intolerable. It also stressed the importance of de-escalation in the region. Meanwhile, Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni called on Israel not to fall into the trap of retaliation, expressing her concerns about the situation in Lebanon.
I'm very concerned about what is happening in Lebanon, about the risk of regional escalation, whereas it looked like there might be glimmers. And that's also something that needs to be evaluated. Every time we seem to be a little bit closer to the possibility of a ceasefire, something happens. It means that there are different regional players aiming for escalation and always aiming to force Israel to react. I also say this to urge Israel not to fall into this trap.